Hello guys, today we are going to start with VLOOKUP. VLOOKUP means vertical lookup. Vertical lookup in Excel from a large number of data. If you want a small report from it, how to make it? Let's start. Come on. VLOOKUP. Vertical lookup. Now vertical lookup is for vertical lookup, then you can see I am having two datas in two sheet. One sheet I have named as data, where I am having a student detail, roll number, name, phone number, city, standard, and the other table I am having roll number, total fees, installment, 1 2 paid, and balance. Okay, so these are the two tables I have already. From this two table I want to make a other table which I have named the sheet as report, where I want only the roll number, name from the data table, and fees details, that is paid and balance of those student which name has been taken in a report file. It's a very simple way. Come on, let's start. Remember, when you are working on a VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP, pivot table, whatever the Excel concept, remember that the first column should be always primary key and having some code and numbers, like for students roll number, for employee number, for product numbers or item codes have been given, so that the data will be unique for you. Okay, so in same here, roll numbers, we will work on roll number, which is, see, in the table also roll number is the first column, in other table also roll number is the same column. So these students fees details have been there, it can be easily noted. Okay, now I have other sheet which I have named as report. I want here the details, so I will just find first. We are going to work on roll number, so I have typed here roll number. Now I want all roll numbers over here. I can type it, I can select and copy the table from roll numbers from here and put it there and do. Otherwise the other way is very simple and easy, which I like the most. So go to click on the data menu in the data in the menu bar, then click on data validation, click on again data validations. In setting, allow, change it to a list, give the source means what, in which you want the pop-up values. So I will select this roll number. Okay, so what will happen, there are roll numbers, see, whichever roll number you want, it will be there. Okay, just click on the roll number, you will get it. Now I want, whenever I click this roll number, whichever the roll number I will click, that person's roll number's name should be in this column. Okay, so for that, let's start with the VLOOKUP function. And in Excel, as every function starts with equal to, here also VLOOKUP will also start with equal to sign, VLOOKUP, then bracket, look up value. It is telling look up value on miss which value you should work. We want roll number, so I will select this roll number, where roll numbers are going to change, and it will show me the output. Comma, table array. Table array means which table. Now I want to name first, so I will take this table where name is been given. See, my roll number should be the first column, then only it will work properly. After selection, you can see in the formula bar, range has been given A1 to E11. You don't have to go back, just click the comma in the formula bar. Now which column name is there? Second, 1, 2. So second, so right here second, 2, then comma, 1 or 0 you have to give. 1 means approximately and true is exact match should be given. So we'll give 1. If it is matching, then it will give me the answer. So 8, roll number 8 is having his name as H. You can check here. Okay, now I want here fees, paid up value, and in another column I want here balance. Okay, now when I'm working on it, remember children, here you have to give VLOOKUP again, VLOOKUP. Okay, comma, lookup value means again the roll number, on roll number we are working, so give comma, then table, which table, fees detail table. So I will go there, select the full column, table, comma, there only you can go, you don't have to go back and give. Okay, in there on that sheet only, in formula bar you can give comma, then paid, which column it is, 1 2 3 4 5. So type here 5 column, fifth column, comma, 1 or 0 you can give, any which one you want, paid. Okay, and the last one is again I want VLOOKUP. You can use this VLOOKUP for other file also. If one table is in this file, other table is in other file, you can work on it in the same manner. Okay, so again you will select the fees data table, okay, comma, sixth column it is, comma, 1 or 0, whichever you wish you can give. So you will get the full information over here. If you change the roll number, I will align this as align this name column in center so that easily you can see the name. If I select here roll number 5, see, you can see the details are getting changed. Whichever the roll number I will select, I will get full details of it only. Okay. Now if I want this over one person, we can do it easily. But if I want here many students, like 5-6 students from 10 students, then what I will do, just select this, drag it, okay, change the roll number whichever you want. I want 4th roll number detail, 8th and 9th student detail I want. Okay, so you don't have to give right again the formula. In Excel you can just drag, you can get the same formula, you will get the information also that way. You can do this by copy paste also, but if you do any changes in the basic table, whenever you will require some change to be done, fees by mistakenly you have added something or less, if any change you do in the basic, you have to come to this report also and do it. But if we do this by VLOOKUP, then it's very easy. Just by changing the basic table data, you can change, you will see that the changes have been occur in the main report also. Okay, so this is the way VLOOKUP is used. Then you can change it, you can give the border you want, if you can give the colors as you wish, alphabet color, and make the report and submit it to the submit it or required person you can give it. Okay, if you like this video, please like it, subscribe it. Thank you for watching.